Today's country is China. China is a country in Asia. China is far away and it takes about 11 hours to fly there. People in China speak a few different languages, but the main one is called Chinese Mandarin. More people live in China than any other country in the world. China invented many of the things we use today, including paper, umbrellas, kites, and fireworks. China is famous for food. A large country with many different types of food all over it. China has delicious meats, scrummy dumplings, pretty vegetables, and they eat birds' nests, which are one of the most expensive foods in the world. Every year, China celebrates an animal, but sometimes they celebrate the imaginary dragon. Dragons are very important to Chinese culture and art. China is home to many wonderful animals, including giant pandas and pink dolphins. There is a very old wall in China. It is the longest wall in the whole world. It is called the Great Wall of China. In China, they don't say hello. Instead, they say ni hao.
Oh, don't forget to click the button, subscribe. Okay. Press the button now, Hosen.